So, struggles. I didn't really think of myself as having struggles. As I thought about it more and thought about that question, what are your struggles? I remembered that years ago after I had my son, my edges just right here, it's like they stopped growing. So, there's certain styles I like to wear, and it made it difficult to wear those styles because there wasn't a lot of hair there. And I've always had a lot of hair. But yeah, so that was one of my issues. It's just in those two spots. And it's been like 16 years. So that, and then a lot of itching. I had a lot of itching in the back, like my skin just kind of irritated and itchy, and sometimes even painful. Another thing is psoriasis. So I've had psoriasis for probably longer than 16 years. And it's in my scalp, but it would also impact my skin, particularly just like the perimeter of my hairline, and then just kind of right here into my eyebrows, around my nose, my chin, just like all along here. So yeah, those are my issues. So, well, you have the before and after pictures. SageTallow absolutely helped with my hair growing back. I guess because I didn't even think it was possible. I'm not a product junkie. So I'm not somebody who buys a bunch of stuff. And because I don't like chemicals. My kind of personal motto is minimal products do I use. If I can't eat it, then I don't want it on my skin. Like if it's toxic for me to take in and put in my mouth, then it's toxic on my skin. That's just the way I feel, because I am very sensitive to products, to medication, to food. I have a lot of sensitivities. So I don't want something that's going to make me look good on the outside, but be detrimental to me on the inside. So for that reason, I really appreciate that SageTallow. I appreciate the ingredients. And so it has helped tremendously, with the hair growth, calming the irritation in my scalp. And then psoriasis. You can't really see anything now, but I have photos. I have a lot of photos because it's been years. Of dealing with psoriasis and just the discoloration that was on my face. I don't have any foundation on or anything, so this is it, and my color is back. I don't look like a spotted cheetah or a leopard or something. So it's been nice just to have my pigment back, the itching gone, and my hair growing back. Okay, so how long are the SageTallow products lasting me? So I have the whole line. I have all three products. The Moisture Lock is I haven't ordered my second one yet, but I do plan to. Now, it would last me longer, but my son started using it. And so now he needs his own because, but no, so I have ordered another serum. Now, you all have said just use a little bit, and I I try not to overuse, but mind you, I'm also using it for my skin. I'm using Sage Tallow as like my facial skin routine as well. So, so I have ordered a second one. Let's see. I ordered in March, I think. I think I ordered in March, and it is now June. And I've had to reorder the serum. I still have Moisture Lock, even though I'm sharing it. And my conditioner I feel like I could do that another, like, maybe 3 months. I'm a little heavy-handed with it, despite what you guys say, don't overuse it. I probably am overusing it, but I still have a good amount. So you don't need a lot. I mean, it is powerful. Like, I just washed my hair, I think a couple days ago, but I mean, I don't have to, this sheen is really nice, and it feels really good. The products they're lasting. Yeah. For months. Okay. To answer your question, they last for months. So, prior to SageTallow, I did not wear my own hair. I used braids, just protective styling. Braids and crochets, those are my go-to. Crochets especially, because I could put my hair away. I did not want to wear my own hair because it was a lot of work, and it's too much work. That's the way I felt. I'm like, why do I have this hair? Like, I'm kind of a no fuss girl. I'm not a girly girl. I do not like spending hours and hours on my hair. That is just not me. So for SageTallow to take this, to take me and to allow me to wear my own hair, and this is what I do. I do twist outs, and the twist outs last for so long. I do it once a week, and the curl stays. It's just amazing. So I can even reapply. I can spritz it with water and then put my product in, my SageTallow in, and keep it moving. I'm not retwisting at nighttime. And I just basically just take it, I put a bonnet on it, just try to put it up like this in my bonnet, and then shake it out in the morning, and I'm good to go. So it's nice. So yeah, I'm confident because I can wear my own hair. I like the way it looks. I like the way my skin looks. So everything together, it's nice. It's a nice version of me. And it almost feels like my outside can match my inside. And I think that should be what you would want as a woman. We know our worth, but when we can look in the mirror and see it is a beautiful thing. So patience is power. Honestly, I kind of feel like with the SageTallow, you don't need that much patience because the products work so fast, surprisingly fast. So much so that I took a picture beforehand, and I would use a product. I didn't think about it. And then one day I was like, is this even working? Is it working? Let me just take a picture. I'm washing my hair. Let me just take a picture. When I looked at the before and after, I was blown away because I didn't even really notice it. I was just using the product, going about my day. So within a month, I saw a considerable difference. It wasn't barely noticeable, it was considerable. So patience is always a good thing, right? Patience is a virtue. But I think patience is a virtue and patience is power. Because when we are patient, when we're waiting for it to come and we're working on our own hair, I don't know, I feel like it almost allows you to work on yourself as well. I know that may sound funny, but because of being patient and then seeing the results, it allows you to be even more patient. And then it instills in you, and it encourages you to take more care in yourself, and for yourself, and take the time to do it. It actually doesn't take that much time, but I see the value of it. I see that I'm worth it, right? I'm worth it. So, yeah, patience is power. Who has time to spend hours and hours washing and detangling and then conditioning and then styling? Literally, it would take me hours just to wash my hair. Hours. And I would hate every minute of it because I always felt like I had more important things to do. I've never been one who wanted to spend a lot of time on hair. And that's why I did the protective styles, because when you wear those styles, yes, it may take you a long time, but you could wear them for a long time. It's like you get a lot of bang for your buck, a lot of bang for your time. And so my time is very valuable and precious to me. And I did not want to spend it all on hair. So now I can wash my hair, I can detangle it, and then style it in a fraction of the time that it took me before. It detangles very easily, and I'm not using a million different products. So yeah, it's a time saver for me. So it's understandable that you would hesitate in a new product, because so often do we see manufacturers or people, they promise, but then you're disappointed. So it's understandable that you would be hesitant. But I say go for it. This is the last product that I will need. I don't need anything else in addition to it. So it's going to save money. And I think it's going to save you time. And it's also going to be helpful because this is a product that you don't need clarifiers to take it out. It's not a chemical. It's not building up on my hair. My hair feels good. This is the product that you've been looking for. This is the product that you've been hoping for. This is the product that you were disappointed that you didn't get. But now I have it. So I hope that you can get it too.